Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Willow and I'm back with another video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and tell a friend about Willow's Kitchen YouTube channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing, some kitchen supply unboxing. I got some gifts and I want to share with you guys. So I'm going to do some unboxing. So as you can see, this is a 12-piece pot. We got frying pots. We got a fridge lid right here, and we got some big pots that I can use to cook whatever I like.
Over here we got a spatula and a spoon. As y'all can see, I did already unbox some of these because I use some of them to cook, so I'm not gonna unbox all of these stuff.
Bear in mind, this is part 1 of the video. Part 2 will be coming next, but I do not know when I got these gifts. I wasn't at the area I'm at now. I have to travel with these stuff. So the rest of the stuff is at my family house. So whenever I got those stuff, I don't know when, since the pandemic is getting out of hand again. I don't know when I'm going to get it, but as soon as I get them, I will do a part 2 to this video.
I'm going to get the next item and get this out of the way. So the next item that I got is a
crystal serving bowl. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. I haven't used this. Pretty new. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Okay.
So here is the serving bowl. I can make some salad in here. Whatever I can make. Some food. When I'm baking, I can use it. Yeah, it's a nice bowl. I like the designs and all of that. Thanks to my friends, my family and church family for these gifts. These are some new house gifts that I got. So I'm going to put this away.
Let me zoom it up like you all can see it better. I'm going to put this away and I will be right back with the next item.
Guys, bear in mind,
all these kitchen supplies came from Amazon. Ordered on Amazon. So this is a electric kettle, which I already used, but this is the box it came in. You can have your tea, your coffee, your hot chocolates, or your instant noodles. You can use it to do all of those stuff, whatever you like. If you just need some warm water, you can just pour some water in there and plug it in, and there you go. So now you guys can see it and the brand, everything. Really an easy way to boil water and to get your coffee make. Alright.
So the next item is the Foreman grill. You can use this to make grilled chicken.
Burger, if you're a fan of burger. I'm not really a fan of grill stuff. You got your statues right there. You can grill, you can make probably grilled cheese, who knows. So I'm not really a fan of grill anything.
And stuff well done, cooked, everything. So yeah, this is what it is, a Foreman grill.
As I said before, this is the part 1 of part 2. Some of my supplies is at my family house.
The mixing bowl and all of that is at my family house.
That's one reason why I'm not really baking anything, because who wants to bake like with their hands? Like, it takes a lot of time to do that. So I'm just gonna wait on my mixing bowl to start baking a lot more stuff. Alright, I'm going with this and I'm gonna be back.
Next up, guys, is my Dutchie.
We call it Dutchie. Back home, you have to have one of this in your house. If you do not have one, that means you're not a yardie. You gotta have a Dutchie wherever you go, right? So I can make my curry chicken and my brown stew, whatever I like in this Dutchie. So guys, if you have one of these, you can make your rice and beans in it. When you have
these and you make your rice and beans, even white rice is harder to burn in these pot because it is more thicker. So in the thinner pot, they're easily burn when you're cooking. So it's good to have a Dutchie in the house.
And guys, I'm telling you, I don't know if it's I'm exaggerating, but when you cook your rice and beans in a Dutchie pot, guys, MG, it's like the best rice and beans you ever taste when you do it in a Dutchie pot. So yeah, gonna have your Dutchie So guys, the next item is a stainless steel utensils with fork, spoon, and knife. Guys, I have a lot of fork, spoon, and knife because I've been going to colleges, and
every time I go to college I buy new stuff. So I have some old forks and spoons. So I might not
use these for now. I might just leave them until maybe when I have visitors. I use them. I don't need to use these right now.
That's it. I'm not gonna take these out because if I take them out, I'm telling you, it's gonna be hard to go back inside here, and I want to just keep them in here. So guys, the next thing I have is some plastic dishes. They came in
I'm not gonna really take everything out. I'm just gonna show you guys what's in here. So you can use these to put leftover food in. You can use these
take to work. If you're rushing
to go somewhere, you can just put your food in it and rush out. They're really helpful. These are just some smaller ones. I already used some of these. These are the ones I didn't use yet. So guys, that's it with that next item.
Guys, this is a cake decorating kit. I already pulled this once and use it and put it back inside here because I don't really use it often. I use it once to make a birthday cake. I haven't baked, do professional baking since 2012 or 2013.
But those of who don't know, I attend baking classes when I was back home. That was like my major. So you always see me be baking a lot of stuff, but when it comes to baking, I'm really lazy. I rather to cook more. So y'all will see.
Using this baking kit, the cake that I bake, I don't know if I should post it or not because it doesn't came out the way I like. Well, it came out perfect, but the frosting and the decoration that I put on it, it didn't came out the way I wanted it to because I
bought food coloring and I mistakenly take out the glue instead. Every time I go to the store and to get food coloring, I do not look on the package. So I ended up taking out the glue instead. Anyways, let me go and unbox this for you guys.
Inside of this is a cake turntable, a cake decorating tips, piping bags, cake decorating pen, icing spatula, icing smoother,
couplers, cake cutter, flower nail, flower lifter, and brush. So there you go.
And that's all these stuff right here. These are the combs. When you bake the cake, you just smooth it up. Got the piping bags. Got 2 piping bags. I already used these, as I said before.
So guys, this is a plate set. I don't remember how many came in the box. When I got these, I have to take them out of the box and travel with them. So I throw away that box and get a new box to pack them in. And I do not want to take all of them out right now because it's difficult to put them back in. So I only take these out. I already used this one. This one too. These are new, never used. So I don't remember if I got 3 of each, but it's a set. I think it's a set of 15. I don't remember quite well, but yeah, it's a plate set. This is the cup.
Inside the cup, I don't really use this cup, but I use this bowl and the plate.
And the bowl look like this. Nice soup bowl. And if you have kids, you can probably give them dinner in this one. And this is for the big peoples. But I don't really like the big dish, but the small ones, like this, the amount of food I put in there, maybe not, it's probably gonna be all
over the place, so I mostly eat out of the big ones. So guys, I do not need to buy any more plates unless I wanna buy for decoration for my kitchen when I cooked and I want to make it look more presentable, because these plates, I don't think they're presentable enough, so I went to buy 2 different plates. I think you guys saw them on my channel already. Let me get these out the way. So guys, these are the next items. This one is like a
strainer, like if you do noodles and want to strain it, you just pour the noodle in there, and I don't know if this came with something else. The brand is a Betty Cooker. Yeah, is that a brand? This right here is a peeler. You can use this to peel fruits and vegetables when I'm cooking. This is a saver. I think this got broke on my way here, traveling with the suitcases. I don't know if it's that way or it came like this. And this is how it goes. It's the same brand, Better Cooker spatula. I have a scissors right here. I have a spatula again. These are some measuring tools. So when I'm baking, I measure. Even though yardie, sometimes we don't measure anything. We just pour with like a limit. We just know exactly the amount that we're gonna use. So, and this is the brush.
if you're baking, put some oil in the baking tray and just spread it all over. Yeah. Alright, that's it.
Come closer.
Next item, it said a gift for you. I think this one is a tablecloth. This is a tablecloth. I got 2 tablecloths and 2 curtains, 2 red curtains. I'm a fantasy of red, if y'all can see on my channel. It's red for the banner. Yeah, I like red really a lot. Yeah, anyways, 2 tablecloths I got. One is on the table, and I got also a tablecloth topper. So I just put it over the table for now. And this right here is dishcloth. I don't know how many is in there. The next items. Can you guess what's inside here? Anyways,
These came in a box, as I said before. I took them out and put them in this bag, so they're really set and ready to go whenever I want.
let me unpack these. So guys, these are some silverwares, all different style. Guys, growing up, all I knew is knife, fork, and a spoon. I don't know about all these crushing stuff. You take out the bag, let y'all see. Guys, growing up, I don't have these stuff, okay? All I know is knife, spoon, and fork. So it's a blessing to have all these stuff, and I didn't buy them. They were given to me. I save a lot of money moving into a new apartment. These are some more forks. It's a blessing to have lovely people, lovely family, lovely church family, and friends that look out for you. Hope y'all can see it inside the bag. These are more utensils. Guys, I do not need to buy no utensils for maybe for the rest of my life.
Spatulas. This is for the pizza. I made pizza the other day, guys, but I haven't posted yet. This spoon right here. This is a soup spoon. You can use this for a rice spoon. Take up your rice. Yeah. This is like a small grater. A pizza cutter.
This is a can opener, guys. Growing up, I don't know what this looks like. I knew
Can cutter, but I never use it. Never ever use it because what I do is to use the knife to cut the things. Like a country girl, of course. Americans would say,
Wood.
I'm a country girl. Spoons, ice cream scoop. So when I make my ice creams, I can use this, and I can also use it for something else. Anyways, yeah, the last thing right here. So let me get these out of the way, and I will be back.
So this is the next step. Cups. Can use to measure. It's the next step. These are some
Dish scrubs. Nice. So the person who got this have a nice art in there. Yeah. And that's it for now.
Let me see what else I have.
So guys, this is not really a kitchen supply, but if the sink got broke, I would have to use this. It's a toolkit. Ain't nothing in there right now. It's a toolkit, yeah. So if the sink go broke, I can be the handy woman around here and fix stuff, right? Gotta help yourself, right? Gotta be independent, right? And this is the last thing I have. It's a duster, so all the creases and corners inside the kitchen, I can use it to dust out. Yeah, I already used it. So, and I don't have any dogs, so I don't really need to do that. So if you have dogs, then you can just get a duster and get it up really fast. Yes guys, so that's the end. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Guys, we have come to the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell your friends and family about Willa's Kitchen YouTube channel. Guys, remember, this is part 1 of the video. I will do part 2 as soon as I get the rest of kitchen supplies. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.